Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna make this video, but let's give it a bash. Okay, I got a 1 meter blowpipe here. Stand 1 meter blowpipe, and I've got these 4 darts. They are 23 centimeter bicycle spokes, steel. I've got 2 with double flights on, and 2 with regular flights. I'm gonna see if we can break the sound barrier. Okay, let's give it a bash. Give me a sec to set up. Oh, see me there? Cool. Let's see if we can get a crack. A single flight. Good lungs. Nope. Single flight doesn't work. Nope. Okay, let's go with double flights. These should do the trick. Good compression there. There's it. Got the crack. There's it. Got it again. Okay. Got the crack twice now. And that's in there.